Welcome to our video on how to allow everyone to send you friend requests on Facebook. In this updated guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to open up your profile to more connections. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Look for the familiar blue icon and tap to launch it. Once you're in, locate the menu icon. It's usually 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, scroll down through the menu options until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Facebook experience. Under the Tools and Resources section, you'll find Privacy Checkup. Give that a tap. This useful tool helps you review and adjust your privacy settings all in one place. Pretty convenient, right? Now, look for How People Can Find You on Facebook and tap on Continue. This section is all about controlling your visibility on the platform. Here's the important part. Tap on Who Can Send You Friend Requests. You'll see 2 options, Everyone and Friends of Friends. Choose Everyone to allow anyone on Facebook to send you a friend request. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and tap it to make sure your new settings stick. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Facebook settings to allow everyone to send you friend requests. This can be a great way to expand your network and connect with new people. Just remember to always be cautious about who you accept as a friend. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.